Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Find energy of each of the photon which correspond to light of frequency 3 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz. Straight question, okay? If they give frequency and you have to find the energy of photon, what is the equation? H nu. Straight equation, right? So what is that? H. What is H? 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34. If you want, you can write 6.626, okay? Into, now what is the frequency? Directly they have given 3 into 10 raised to 15. You can calculate this and you will be getting the answer. 1.98 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule. Okay, multiply this, you will be getting that, okay? Now second question, they have given the wavelength and you have to find the energy. Same equation only, E is equal to h nu, but they have given the wavelength, right? So you have to write like what? Hc by lambda. So what is that? 6.626. If you want, you can write like that. I am just writing 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 by, what is lambda? 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10. Armstrong means 10 raised to minus 10. That you must know. Okay, on calculating you will get 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 15 joule. 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 15 joule. 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 15 joule. Unit is joule, okay? Energy unit is joule, okay?